So hey guys, just want to do this quick video letting you guys know that there's another recall for our cars. This just came out yesterday and it has to do with the fuel pump. Now it says it affects 1.4 million vehicles between 2018 and 2019. Now, I'm seeing online a lot of you guys are saying it only affects a 2.0. So I haven't seen that in all the released information. It doesn't say anything about the engine size, but it's saying that it affects the 2018 and 19 NSX, the 2019 RDX, RLX Hybrid, and then 2018 and 19 Honda Accord Civic, HRV, and the 2019 Fit, and 2019 and 2020 Insight. So I guess it's 1.4 million vehicles, but it's 136,000 vehicles in the United States. So in the scheme of it, it's not as that many in the United States as it sounds originally. When I heard 1.4 million, I was thinking that's a lot of cars again, but it's 136,000 in the United States. So they'll be notifying you if yours is affected. And they said they even did a stop sell on them. So if there's some 19s that have them, they won't sell those cars until they replace it. And you just have to replace the fuel pump. I guess the fuel pump, it says, can be faulty and cause it to stall when you're driving. So kind of a big deal. But again, it's not as many in the United States. And you can go to the NHTSA website and type in your VIN. It'll tell you if yours is affected. And then some people are saying it doesn't give you all the information. So you can also call your dealer and give them your VIN, and they were saying that that is a more accurate way to do it. So good idea, because they said they won't let you know until July. So instead of wondering for the next 3 weeks to a month, just give your dealer a call, let them know your VIN, and you're curious about the fuel pump recall, and then you'll know. Then you can get that taken care of too. It's all covered, of course. And supposedly in 2020, they've already used updated parts. And even some 19s they did too. Of course, if it's only 136,000 vehicles, it's not a huge thing for those 2 years for the United States. So just wanted to share that information with you guys. Like I said, it's good to stay up on this so you don't wait till the last minute. And then what I find when you do that kind of stuff, it's hard to get appointments at the dealer to get these things fixed too. So if you get in there now, shouldn't be a huge issue. And they already have the parts for you too. Okay, so hope everyone's doing good out there. Just wanted to share that with you. I should have another mod video coming up shortly, so please stay tuned. If you haven't, please hit that like and subscribe button. Appreciate that. And I will